Welcome to another exercise for the workbook Statistics, this time focusing on the topic of combinatorics. Our task here: a YouTube playlist contains 10 videos. 5 of these videos are music videos. Then our 3 tasks for this: assuming that videos are played randomly and each video can only be played once, meaning it's without replacement. How many different possible playlist orders are possible? Then, assuming that the lists from part A only consider the property whether the video is a music video or not, how many playlist orders exist under this assumption? Finally, during a visit, 4 videos are played. How many possible sets of 4 videos are possible if each video can only be played more than once? So in this case, we actually have replacement. Well, let's start with the first one. First part, even though it sounds a bit strange, it's just permutations. So I want to know how the 10 different videos could be arranged in an order, which is just the order being the playlist. Due to the fact that we have no replacement, every observation, every video can exist only once. So we're actually talking about an order with a fixed length. So we're just talking about permutations. For permutations, we can calculate the number of permutations with n factorial, n being the 10 videos. So we have 10 factorial, roughly 3.6 million possible playlists. If we only work with the fact whether the video is music video or not, we're working with permutations with so-called repetitions. In this case, we're simply dividing into music video, yes, no. So in this case, we use the formula n factorial. That's the upper part. That's the 10 factorial we calculated here, divided by k1 factorial. K1 is the number of music videos. K2 is the number of non-music videos. So if we use a different sub-property of the videos of other observations, we're going to use this formula here. So well, we know we have 5 music videos, 5 non-music videos, so it's 10 factorial divided by 5 factorial times 5 factorial. So in total we get here only 252 possible playlists or different possible playlists. Well, that was already the second of the 3 parts. The final part, what we're talking about, as I said, again, it's with replacement. So one video could be played more than once. And we want to know how many are possible if I select a certain number of the existing videos, a certain number of subgroups. I want to know how many are possible. Due to the fact that this is with replacement, we're not using n over k, we're using n plus k minus 1 over n minus 1. So in this case, 4 out of 10, k being 4, the total number of different videos is 10. So here with this formula, we get 13 over 9. So a total of 715 different subgroups is possible. This subgroup, well, if we have 4, we could theoretically have 4 times the same video in this subgroup. Well, that's already everything there is for this part and also for the whole exercise. So hope you enjoyed it, and I say goodbye. See you next time.